India's next 4 Poseidon 8I long-range maritime surveillance and anti-submarine warfare aircraft could come fitted with domestically made composite interior panels. Tata Advanced Materials Ltd (TAML), a subsidiary of Tata Industries, has been awarded a contract from Boeing to provide composite interior closeout panels for the P-8 aircraft that cover the interior wall structure of the aircraft, a statement from the Tatas said. The contract entails supplying interior panels on a global basis. However, industry source said it is not clear if the Indian version of the aircraft would come fitted with TAML-made panels, as they are not the sole providers. The P-8 is designed for long-range anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare as well as armed intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance missions. India had on July 27 signed an over $1 billion deal with American defense and aerospace major Boeing for procuring 4 additional Poseidon 8I. The contract is a follow-on order to 8 P-81 planes already bought by India in a direct deal, worth $1 billion with the firm. Armed with deadly Harpoon missiles, lightweight torpedoes and rockets, among others. The Navy is extensively using the P-8I to keep a strict vigil over the Indian Ocean, which has seen numerous Chinese submarine forays, including docking of a nuclear sub in Sri Lanka. TAML is currently under contract to manufacture the P-8 tail cone and auxiliary power unit door, fairing out of India. Additionally, TAML works for Dynamatic Technologies Limited in support of the CH-47F Chinook, a medium to heavy lift helicopter, and for P-8 cabinets. Boeing and Tata Advanced Systems Limited have established a joint venture in India to produce R-64 Apache fuselages, co-produce aerostructures and pursue integrated systems development opportunities in India.